Hello student, I am Dr. Anju Jha, Assistant Professor, Government Nagarjun, Postgraduate Science College, Raipur. I am going to discuss local anti-infective drugs. First, we will discuss the sulfonamide drugs. It is a systemic antibacterial drugs. The first member of sulfonamide is a sulfanilamide drugs. It is prepared by benzene and from acetanilide. First, the synthesis of sulfanilamide from benzene. When benzene is nitrated, after the nitration of benzene, nitrobenzene is formed. Nitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of tin 2 chloride. Aniline is formed. Aniline is heated with sulfuric acid. Para-amino benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Para-amino benzene sulfonic acid is treated with phosphorus pentachloride. Para-amino benzene sulfonar chloride is formed. This compound is treated with concentrated ammonium hydroxide. 1 mole of HCl is liberated and sulfanilamide drug is formed. In the second method, it is also prepared by acetanilide. When acetanilide is treated with chlorosulfonic acid, the compound para-acetamidobenzene sulfonyl chloride, short name ASC, is formed. This ASC compound is treated with concentrated nitric acid at 40 to 50 degrees centigrade. Para-acetamidobenzene sulfonamide is formed. Para-acetamidobenzene sulfonamide is first undergo amination and then undergo hydrolysis to form sulfanilamide drugs. Sulfanilamide drug, it is now used very rarely because of its high toxicity. It is still used in veterinary medicine. The next drug is sulfapyridine. Sulfapyridine is also known as sulfapyridine in USA and sulfapyridine BAN. It is also synthesized by when the 2-aminopyridine is condensed with ASC compound. The full form of ASC is para-acetamidobenzene sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine to form intermediate compound. This intermediate compound undergo hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide. The drug sulfapyridine is formed. Sulfapyridine is mainly used in the treatment of dermatitis herpetiformis for such patient who do not give positive response to dapsone drugs. And next drug is sulfadizine. Sulfadizine is also known as sulfadizine in USA and sulfadizine BAN. The synthesis of sulfadizine is under the 3 steps. First step is preparation of ASC. This step is described under the sulfanilamide drugs. Second step is the preparation of 2-aminopyridine, and third step condensation of step A and B. Step B, when malic acid is treated with treated with fuming sulfuric acid and then undergo dehydration and decarboxylation. Formyl acetic acid is formed. Formyl acetic acid is treated with guanidine in the presence of fuming sulfuric acid. 2 moles of water is liberated and cyclic compound isocytosine lactam form or keto form is formed. This lactam form undergo rearrangement to form enol form lactame is formed. The lactame is treated with phosphorus oxytrichloride or chlorosulfonic acid to form 2-amino-4-chloropyrimidine. 2-amino-4-chloropyrimidine is treated with zinc in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. 2-aminopyridine is formed. Then 2-aminopyridine is condensed with ASC compound to form intermediate compound. This intermediate compound undergo hydrolysis to form sulfadizine drugs. Sulfadizine is effective against most coccus infections. It is also been used in the treatment of chancroid due to Haemophilus ducreyi. It may also be used for prophylaxis of recurrence of rheumatic fever. Next drug is sulfamethoxazole. It is also found in sulfamethoxazole in USN sulfamethoxazole ban. It is also synthesized by the condensation of 2-amino 5-methyl 1,3,4 thiazole with para-amino benzene sulfonyl chloride to form sulfamethoxazole. It is used in the treatment of coliform infection of the urinary tract. Next sulfur drugs are sulfaguanidine. Sulfaguanidine is also synthesized by the condensation of guanidine with para-acetamidobenzene sulfonyl chloride to form an intermediate compound. This intermediate compound undergo hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Sulfaguanidine drugs is formed. It has been used for the treatment of local intestinal infections, especially bacillary dysentery, but it has mostly been replaced by the comparatively less toxic analogs, namely succinyl sulfathiazole. And dapsone. Dapsone is also prepared by the condensation of 2 mole of benzene in the presence of sulfuric acid. Phenyl sulfone is formed. Phenyl sulfone is treated with a nitrating mixture to form 4,4-dinitrophenyl sulfone is formed. 4,4-dinitrophenyl sulfone is undergo reduction in the presence of tin 2 chloride to form dapsone. It exhibits an antibacterial spectrum and mechanism of action is similar to that of sulfanilamide. It is the drug of choice in the chemotherapy of leprosy and also for the treatment of nocardiosis. It has also been used successfully as a suppressant in the treatment of dermatitis herpetiformis. Next drug is ciprofloxacin. The molecular formula of ciprofloxacin is C17H18FN3O3. It is also synthesized by the reaction of 3-chloro-4-fluoroaniline with diethyl ethoxymethylene malonate to form an amine compound. This compound undergo thermally cyclization to form ethyl 7-chloro-6-fluoro-4-hydroxyquinoline 3-carboxylate. This compound first treated with N-alkylation with cyclopropyl and then second N-methylpiperazine. This is the nucleophilic displacement of 7-chloromoiety, and third undergo hydrolysis of ester to form ciprofloxacin hydrochloride. Ciprofloxacin attains many folds higher concentration in the urine than in the plasma level. It also produces quite rapid and virtually complete clinical relief in specific nosocomial bronchopneumonia. It is indicated profusely in skin, soft tissues and skin infections, bacterial gastroenteritis and acute urinary tract infections. Ciprofloxacin is recognized as a drug of first choice in the treatment of typhoid fever. Next is norfloxacin. Norfloxacin is the first drug of the quinolone derivatives used in the medicine that contain piperazine substituents. It is also synthesized by the reaction or treatment of 3-chloro-4-fluoroaniline with ethyl ethoxymethylene malonate to form substitution product. This product which upon heated with in diphenyl ester and undergo cyclization to form ethyl ester of 6-fluoro-7-chloro-1,4-dihydro-3-quinoline 4-on-carboxylic acid. This compound first treated with ethyl iodide in the presence of triethylamine and undergo hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form 1-ethyl 6-fluoro-7-chloro-1,4-dihydro-3-quinolic 4-on-carboxylic acid. This compound treated with piperazine to form norfloxacin. Norfloxacin possesses a broad spectrum of bactericidal action. It is highly active with respect to most gram-negative and few gram-positive microorganisms. It is used for bacterial infections of the urinary tract, prostate gland, gastrointestinal tract, gonorrhea, and traveler diarrhea. Nalidixic acid. It is also synthesized by the reaction of 2-amino-6-methoxypyridine with diethyl ethoxymethylene malonate to form again substituted product. This product is heated and cyclized to form ethyl ester of 4-hydroxy 7-methyl 1,8-nephridine 3-carboxylic acid. This ester compound undergo hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form 4-hydroxy 7-methyl 1,8-nephridine 3-carboxylic acid. This acid is first treated with ethyl iodide in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form nalidixic acid. Nalidixic acid has a bacteriostatic effect depending on the sensitivity of the microorganisms and the concentrations. It is effective with respect to gram-negative microorganisms such as colon bacillus, proteus, salmonella, etc. It is used for cystitis, urethritis, prostatitis, and gastrointestinal tract infection. Furazolidone drugs. It is also synthesized by the reaction of 2-hydroazinoethanol with diethyl oxalate to form 3-amino-2-oxazolidone. 3-amino-2-oxazolidone treated with benzaldehyde to form corresponding hydrazone. This hydrazone treated with 5-nitrofurfural to form furazolidone. It has antibacterial and antiprotozoal properties and is used in the treatment of giardiasis and cholera. It is most active with respect to gram-negative microorganisms and at the same time it is less toxic. Thank you.